Want to use powerful free AI models inside Visual Studio Code without paying for any API keys or monthly subscriptions? In this video, I'll show you a simple and completely free method nobody is talking about. You'll be able to start coding with free AI models in just a few minutes. No credit card is required at any step. Let's get started. Requesty.ai gives you access to several high-quality free models. Currently, the free models available are NVIDIA Nemotron Ultra and Super, NVIDIA Content Safety Model, Poolside Laguna models, and Google Gemma 4. These models are completely free to use. You get up to 200 free requests every day, and the best part is that everything works directly inside the Cline extension in Visual Studio Code. First, go to the website Requesty.ai and create a free account. The sign-up process is very simple and does not ask for any payment information. After creating your account, go to the API Keys section. Click on Create New Key and generate your API key. Once the key is created, copy it carefully. We will need this key in the next step. Now open Visual Studio Code. If you don't already have the Cline extension installed, go to the Extensions panel, search for Cline, and install the official one. After installation, you will see the Cline icon appear on the left sidebar. Click on it to open the Cline panel. Inside the Cline panel, click on the Settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. In the settings, find the option called API Provider and select Requesty from the drop-down list. Now paste the API key you copied earlier into the API key field. Next, you need to select a free model. You can choose any of these free available models right now: NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Ultra, NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Super, Poolside Laguna M1, or Google Gemma 4. I personally recommend starting with NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Ultra because it works very well for general coding tasks. Once you have selected the model, save the settings. Now let's test if everything is working. Open a new empty project folder in VS Code and go back to the Cline panel. Type a simple prompt, for example. Create a simple browser-based snake game with score counter using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Press enter and watch what happens. Cline will start planning and generating the complete code using the free model from Requesty. You will see it creating files and writing the code just like paid AI coding tools, but without spending any money. And finally, within seconds, our snake game project is ready and working. Here are a few important things you should keep in mind. New accounts usually get 50 free requests per day, while accounts that have made any payment in the past get up to 200 free requests per day. This daily limit is shared across all free models. So if you use multiple free models, they all count toward the same limit. Also remember that the list of free models can change from time to time. So it's a good idea to occasionally check the model library inside your Requesty dashboard. You now have free AI models running successfully inside Cline using Requesty. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more free AI coding tutorials. Also, comment below and tell me which free model you decided to try first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.